Original Abakeleke, Nwa Abakeleke, Nwa Abakeleke, Nwa Abakeleke, Original Abakeleke, Nwa Abakeleke, Show me see wetin na dey see.
People of this community, the Igwe has sent a wonderful warning across to you people. Listen, inu ikori ibewu.
Nwa Abakeleke, Original Abakeleke, Nwa Abakeleke, Nwa Abakeleke, Original Abakeleke.
This country has turned to another thing. People of this community, the Igwe of this community has sent his warning across to you people, because this country now is now turning to something else. And that is why the Igwe of this community has sent me his faithful town crier Nwa Abakeleke to come and tell you people. Everybody should hold his tongue, because all this rumor that is going around now, that our amiable governor, something I cannot talk happened to him. We did not know how sure it is and how true it is. That is why the Igwe has said, you people should stop saying what you people did not see with your eyes. Because if they come to carry anybody that is carrying this rumor that nobody is sure about it, that he will not come out to defend anybody. That is why he is sending this message across now. I don't know why you people will be carrying rumor about our amiable governor. Our amiable governor. Uzo de kwamma. But